DV generally won't let you enter any data which is not part of DV rule. Whole number DV has been set up in this example where numbers between 1 and 5 can only be entered. In order to allow new entry in the DV defined range, select cell A1 and open DV. Go to Error Alert tab. Uncheck the option Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered. Now enter a number in cell A1 which is not between 1 to 5. Try to do this in cell A2. Excel hasn't allowed since Set option in Error Alert tab for this cell is not unchecked.